Hey guys, welcome back. Guys, let's go apple picking. The Jamaican red apple, guys, the tree is so loaded. And not to mention, underneath the tree, there's so much of these apple wasting. Guys, I cannot believe when we was a kid growing up, these apple don't even have time to drop off of the tree, let alone waste. The way I see these apples going to waste. Look at this, guys. Look. Such a shame. And there's this guy there scraping some to go feed his pigs. It's like kids in Jamaica don't even care about these apples anymore like we did when we was growing up. The tree is so loaded till you can stand underneath the tree and pick the apple off of the tree. So guys, as you can see, I have some in a bag here. I'm gonna go home, wash them, and enjoy this apple. Stay tuned, guys, for my next video. See you soon. I'm gonna enjoy my apples. Bye bye.